Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the HomerunPET Smart Cat Litter Box. This thing does it all, including getting all your litter nice and clean, and it adds more litter if you run out. So there's a couple bands that this comes on this box and plastic straps. You cut those off and then you can just pull the top off of this box here, just like this. Look at this guy. This thing's an absolute wow, it's huge. Plenty of room, very spacious. We got a quick start guide right here on top. I'm gonna show you how to do all this stuff. Okay, that's very convenient. All right, so we got this little quick start guide. Cats are obviously excited to test this out. Pretty much take out everything, take off all the tape that's holding this on there, on the inside, all around. And it's kind of heavy, just be careful lifting it out of there. Maybe get two people to help you. It does have little handles on the bottom, pretty easy to carry. And then there's very spacious that the drum is. Take all the other stuff out of the drawer, the contents. Nice long cord there, cat proof. Put this over the bin there. Alrighty. This goes under the edge, around the edge. Just like that. And that's gonna, plastic part hooks under those. Okay, slide that in there. All right, now this one, pull this out. Take that off, use the white bag here. All right. Those go right in there, like that. Fold this down over that, around the top. Okay. Working pretty good. Okay, and then this goes over top of that. Kind of locks it into place there so it's not going to come out. And then just slides this right back in there. Just like that. And we set it down on the rollers right there. Okay. This locks back down. Hear that snapping noise. And then we can put this back on top. It's going to be our litter filler there. That's cool. Place that on there. Okay, we're going to move this onto the concrete and start it up. Okay, plugged it in the wall here. The plug-in's just right around here in the back, and then press on, power. Should run a little self-test here. The whole gamut back and then forward. Obviously, if you get in front of it, it's going to stop it every time because it's got that little radar sensor, motion sensor in the front. So you got to kind of stay away from the front of it. It'll level off everything, get the sensors all right, and kind of calibrate itself. And then you can press the button to add litter on the front, and that'll move the hole to the top so you can just pour the litter in. Should be enough. So we put that in. So we'd hit the level button, which is this button right here. Now this is going to move forward and then back a little bit, and your litter will be all nice and level. To how much was in there? A little below the max line. Not bad though, for a guess, I guess. And then we can see that it's pretty deep. We got about two. Once we fill that up, it's going to be almost 3 inches down there. Okay. Alrighty, let's put some litter in the refill spot too in the back. So it can self-fill. Let's just lift this off. It's magnetic, so no problem. Has this little guy right here. Fill that up. And we can just dump cat litter right into there. Look at that, I don't think I spilled but one or two little grains there. There we go. Okay. So that is this little area right here. Nice as you please. And that fills up that. And that can use, there's a little auger down there that can dump more cat litter in here if we need. So that's super cool. Put this back on top. Okay, here we are on the app, HomerunPET. And here we have it all set up. We can activate the child lock, night mode. This is on auto. How many visits, everything. Check out the litter sufficiency. Tells you if it's high or low, last washing time, a wash reminder. Different kinds of litters that you can use, currently using. Tells you the capacity of that, the waste bin, if it's full or not, when to change. Just a ton of different features on here. Very cool, super helpful. I can hit the button if I want to clean or if I want to refill the cat litter. Yeah, just a sweet little app here. Go on there. It's got all these different devices. You can turn on auto clean, the cleaning intervals when you want it to clean, the auto replenish. You can switch it to manual if you want, or default. So there's all kinds of things here. Night mode, child lock setting. So it's just a really smart device here. It's, yeah, the capacity, it's very large. I like that pretty much you don't really have to mess with this for quite a while. It's going to refill your litter. It's going to get rid of the other stuff. It's going to contain it nicely. It just takes all the work out of, you know, the litter box nightmare that it is. Very handy, user-friendly app, connected right away. And yeah, it's just super sweet. Okay, once you have downloaded the app, the HomerunPET app, either from iTunes or Google Play, it's super easy. Just set up your account and then just go into add the device. Press the plus sign and it'll discover the device there. Yeah, it sets up and works really well. So Boogie used the litter box here, and he's a large cat. He's almost 15 pounds, and he fit in there easily. This is probably the largest drum I've seen on an automatic cat litter box. It's really cool, very spacious, not all cramped another thing like some other ones are. So once he has used the bathroom there, then it'll start self-cleaning automatically, and that time when it starts self-cleaning after it's been used can be adjusted on the app as well. Here we can see that it just kind of filters it all out and scoops it right off to the side there. Zero mess. Oh, see, Boogie approached, and as soon as he went over there, it turned off. As you can see, it said the cat was there. And as soon as they're moving there, that activates the cat there, and it lets you know that, hey, it's not going to work. So now he's checking it out. What's up, Boogie? He's super curious, but you can see he's a large cat. And this is plenty of space in there for him. And there he goes in again. So even though it was in the process of cleaning, it's now paused. And with that blue line, what is it, Boogie? Okay, he comes out again, and then You can see it's going back into its cleaning mode. And there we go, it resumes doing its business there. It's gonna just level it off here. As you can see, it detected everything nicely. The cat is in no danger of having any issues here. And when that blue line goes off, it means the cat approaches the machine or the cat enters the machine. So that light is what's gonna go off there. Okay, so it's gonna level off the cat litter now, and we're good to go. All right, so here we go. As we can see, the very little wasted. I like how it separates the poop right there, or the waste from the cat litter thing. Super easy, convenient to just pull that out and use that. This thing is amazing. All right, so the safety feature, I press the clean button. It stops automatically, as we saw earlier, with just the cat there, and also start cleaning again. If the cat somehow jumps in there and they jump in, it's gonna also, it recognizes the weight difference too. So pretty much impossible for the cat to get hurt with this thing. It's a lot of safety features. So just add a little bit of weight here and automatically stops sensing the additional weight that there's a cat in there, and it just works really good. I feel very confident that this would not be a danger to my pets at all. All right, friends, well, as we can see, this thing is pretty amazing. Pretty much takes all the work out of the whole cat litter process, so you don't really even have to deal with it. I would feel confident in letting this take care of my cats while I'm away. You can just monitor it from the app, which is super user-friendly. And with the safety features, I'm also quite confident that my cats would be safe around this, whether it's the motion detector or the weight sensors. It's going to stop all motion or activity while the cats are near, on, in, or around it. So yeah, just a great little, great good size litter box. It does an amazing job at just cleaning up everything. I highly recommend this, guys. If you want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below. Thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.